saguaro bones.
Yeah, that's the structure.
Yeah.
Kind of woody. There's a lot of space to carry water in it.
You can like see the arms
Mm-hmm.
and everything.
Wow.
Oh.
Crazy.
This is so pretty.
Isn't it? This is one of the most surreal climbing spots I've ever been to.
Yeah.
Surrounded by saguaros.
Amazing.
And look, you can see where we parked. That's the cutest
Isn't
approach
it?
ever.
We're just right over there.
Flattest, cutest. So fun. Yeah.
Here's the wall. The crag. Oh look, there's a saguaro on top.
That's so cool.
This is so cute.
It's so cute.
I'm so
It's kind
excited.
of tiny.
It is kind of tiny. That's okay.
Yeah. Where to go? Nice, darling. Remember I got you? Wow, nice, yeah. Yes, beautiful. There's also a good foothold right underneath. You're welcome. Doing great. Where'd you learn to climb like that? It's amazing. You're flying up the wall. Dang, that's impressive.
Yeah, like literally, my arms have no go right now. This is better now.
Need power still?
It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just that like overhanging part was hard.
That's alright. Finish strong. Enjoy this.
Yeah. Thank you for all the boosts.
Yeah. Yes, enjoy it. Enjoy this one.
Oh, I should go under. Oh, that was okay.
You earned it. You earned the view.
Ah.
Alright, I'm on lead now.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna click the second bolt.
Oh. This is very well bolted.
Yep. Clipping. Clip. A little less tension.
A little less.
Yeah.
Okay, is that better?
Yeah, thank you.
Can we? Got it.
Stop.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, you're above the bolt. Got it.
Yep. Alright, I'm gonna put the third bolt. Clip.
Well, that was Sonoran Moonfire. Such a fun climb. I was able to see the tops of the saguaros and this beautiful view. It's getting a little windy and cold, so I think we're leaving at a good time.
Yeah.
But it was so much fun. Tucson really blew our mind. It's a UNESCO City of Gastronomy. It has the Sonoran Desert, which is one of the most plant diverse regions in North America, believe it or not. A desert, crazy.
Yeah, the Sonoran Desert National Park also.
The Sonoran Desert, so the Saguaro National Park.
Yeah.
We visited that. We also visited the A Mountain, met a bunch of cool people, and finished off with rock climbing. Oh, also we went on a mountain bike tour.
It was really fun.
It was super fun, and my GoPro's at 1% and it will die at any moment. But thank you for joining us.